Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Mr. Fact. Nice to see you. Today's date is 2nd February 2022. Today's topic is post-it notes. What is interesting about invention of post-it notes? A post-it note is a small piece of paper with reusable strip of glue on its. It can be stuck on documents or in any prominent spot with message and act of reminder and peeled off easily after use. Interestingly, two accidents lead on invention of post-it notes. The first was a suspension. Silver was accidentally created a weak adverse agent. It has two interesting features. Firstly, when stuck on a surface, it could not be peeled away. Secondly, adverse was reusable. 4 years later, the second accident occurs. Author Fry was singing in a church, and the markers he used to note his place was book keep falling out. Fry used some of silver advice to keep the marker in place. The weak advice keep the markers in place. He lifted off the markers easily without damage the page and marked the beginning of post-it notes. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.